बेहद की परम महाशांति. This video is in continuation with the video The Transformation of the World. Kindly refer part 1 of this video. Now when Behad souls from the infinite world immerse themselves in the sea of divine knowledge, their main goal in life will to attain soul consciousness and the world transformation. When the aim is high, the soul attains high quality characteristics. When the ultimate goal is for the infinite world, then their thinking will also be at a high level. They will forgive and wish divine peace upon others. Any negative feelings will be replaced by positive feelings. Infinite world souls will realize the utmost importance of being free from the bondage of karma and worldly attachments. Gradually, as these individuals attain divine knowledge, they become more soul conscious and develop an understanding of ultimate goal. Then even a worldly soul is able to transform into a great spiritual soul. No matter how worldly or negative an individual is, listening to the divine knowledge changes their mind, values and intellect. With the divine knowledge of the infinite world, goal changes to those of the infinite world, and the way people live their life changes. Their mind, intellect and the value become those of infinite world, and they feel pity for those caught in the worldly trappings. They want to spread divine peace and happiness and subsequently end the negativity, pain and sufferings of others. Their sympathy extends to the countless souls in the whole solar system, galaxy, universe, multiverse, subtle and celestial worlds beyond the physical world. Behad souls are children of the sea of infinity. They will feel empathy and compassion for all souls, and as Karma Yogi will spread divine peace day and night to help others. This will automatically lead to their positive karmas in the physical world changing into infinite world karmas. Their family in the physical world will become their infinite world family. Even those family members who have no understanding of the divine knowledge will experience divine peace in the home. Anyone that thinks of Behad soul, even if it is negatively, will receive positivity and divine peace in return, and it will gradually change to become more positive. A strong divine connection, kindness and peace vibrations will reach negative souls and gradually transform thorn-like souls into beautiful flower-like ones. Do not seek revenge, but always try to change other souls through divine peace vibrations. Spread divine peace to those that throw stones at us. Your divine nature will lead to a divine vision, which will be of high quality. From divine vision, the infinite world will transform. You are infinite world transformation souls. If you encounter any negative soul, then you must feel sympathy for them. You are divine souls with a divine knowledge within you and an understanding of what your duty is, which is to spread divine peace and transform all others. Transform the negative into positive. You will not even have to speak. Param Shanti vibration will slowly spread into atmosphere in your homes and surrounding. Your positive Param Shanti vibration will touch everyone. Other soul, even negative ones, will realize that they feel Param Shanti every time they remember you, so they will continue to think of you. The day will come when all souls looking for Param Shanti will start coming to you. By then you would become a soul with infinite divine knowledge. Behad souls will master the art of silence skillfully and realize ultimate bliss in their mind due to the vibration of supreme silence in their soul. The soul of infinite world will gradually reach the stage of ultimate perfection and purity, and they will engage in selfless action for the benevolence of whole creation like true Karma Yogi. They believe that spreading Param Shanti vibrations are being their ultimate goal and their duty for the infinite world of creations. Behad souls will reach an advanced stage and will be surrounded by divine light, transforming from physical to celestial beings, gradually taking angelic form. They will become free from the confines of the time cycle of this earth, and time of Behad souls will start, which will bring the existence of infinite world. Behad souls will take on an angelic form and transform others into angelic form by spreading divine light and happiness. Their divine vision will enable them to see the divine light form of Almighty authority as an angel, and in the end, they will become angels too. The process is very gradual. Slowly, the vibration of Param Shanti will percolate into every atom of creation. There will be only one aim for Behad souls, that is to spread the vibration of Behad ki Param Shanti. Behad souls will become Karmatit, that is free from all karmic accounts, and Bhavatit, that is beyond all emotional attachments. They will master of supreme knowledge and become completely detached from the illusionary world. Even a small group of divine world souls will be able to successfully fulfill this ultimate goal. Thank you so much. बेहद की परम परम महाशांति है, महाशांति है, महाशांति है.